Guys, we hit 10,000 subscribers. As you know, our giveaway video is up. Go try to win that. We are gonna pick the winners very, very soon. So get in there, go like the stuff. We thank you again for the 10,000 subscribers. It's absolutely crazy. We're gonna keep pumping these videos out, even though we just got a comment saying, F you Crockers, no one cares about your channel, I'm unsubscribing. Why were you subscribed to our channel in the first place if you didn't like us? I don't know, but that's what we do. We put out daily videos, and if you don't like it, I guess you're in the wrong channel. Also, if you guys are wondering, I'm gonna keep my boots. I am going to use them until it starts raining again, or they just completely fall apart. I don't care. Everyone was saying, just use some duct tape it, put some bike tubes on it, and that gave me the motivation to keep it, and Jaylena can leave me alone. And also, the answer to y'all's question about my ear is A, B, or C. Was it a dog, a fence, or Jared shooting me? It was a dog. So basically, I used to work at a dog boarding facility with like 100 dogs, and I take care of them myself. I had big ears. They were like this big old ears. I'm gonna put a picture right now. And a dog jumped up and ripped it, and it hurt. And that was like, I don't know, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and I never fixed it because put all my money into these dang houses and video gear and everything else that I do. So never got it fixed, but that's the answer. It was a dog, and you think I would have learned because my nose ring almost got ripped out the same way. I was playing my dog. She jumped up, and her nail got stuck, and it ripped it all the way out. To the very end, there was barely any skin left in my nose holding it, but I just pushed it back up, let it heal. That's why there's this like black mark on it. It's red right now because I hit it, but you think I'd learned, but I didn't. I guess that's the punk rock life that I live or try to live, even though people say that I'm 33 years old and I shouldn't have facial piercings because I'm a loser. Oh well, I don't care. So anyways, I am going to finish working on Jared's bathroom today. He's at work, and he doesn't have as much time as I do during the week, so I am going to try to finish up the ceiling with whatever wood we have. Hopefully it'll be enough. And then, I don't know what I'll work on next. We'll figure that out as this goes. Well, I was planning on working in the bathroom, but Jaylene is in there taking a shower. She works out in the house because there's more room right now. She does like T25 or whatever that stuff's called. I don't know. I'm not doing it. I'm not on a diet. I ate some cake again this morning that my neighbor made. So I figured while she is showering, I'm going to come show you guys this grass seed that we put out a while back. As you can tell, we got green grass, folks. It's not growing in super amazing, but for what happened, I'm loving it. I think it's growing pretty well. The goats got in there one day somehow, and they started eating it like crazy, so I kicked them out. And I just wish we can get a good rain again to water it, because I don't have water hoses long enough to get out here. So it's growing great. We are liking it, and it's a lot better than nothing but dirt. So we just wanted to fill you guys in on that. And then we got all our friends over here. Of course, little Dakota. Little Stainer Dakota. He is eating and eating and eating and eating, but he's doing great, and that's all we care about. Right, buddy? He's doing so well. And yes, we get comments a lot saying, why did you get a male goat if you want milk? We're not gonna milk him. That'd be gross. So what we're doing is we got this male, this guy, he's great, and we are going to raise him as a bottle baby and get him to the point where he is the best he could be with us. So whenever we get our female dairy goat or goats, he'll be nice to us. That's it. That's our plan. That's what we're doing. And Bam Bam, still here. I think we're 1 or 2 days away from butchering him. I am going to separate him because we've been getting a lot of people saying that, don't you think his meat's going to be nasty and tainted because he's older? But I think it's going to be fine. We have hunted all our lives, and we've shot all sorts of animals, so it couldn't taste any different than anything else we've ever eaten. But I'm going to put him in the other pasture and let him eat some of that grass, kind of quit peeing all over himself and get out of that stage for a couple of days because he's been with the females. So we're going to separate him, and then I will feed him before I butcher him so he can go peacefully and loved, and just treat him the way he needs to be treated before he helps feed us. Alright guys, Jaylene is out of the shower. It is time to finish the ceiling. I am sick and tired of looking at it. I know you guys are sick and tired of looking at it, and the sooner it's finished, the better. So let's knock this out. One down, a lot more to go.
Do you see this face? That is the face of Jason working and being mad and yelling at me because he's mad at the wall.
I absolutely hate doing the ceiling with this. Just to let you guys know that I don't think I'm going to be doing this in the other room, no matter how much Jared tries to argue that it looks good. I've only cussed like 8 times.
He's cussed more than that.
I don't like it. It's a pain in the butt. You gotta go up and down this ladder. But anyways, we're just cutting it. Yes, we could go the whole length. I can't do that by myself. It's too hard. With the shower in the way, it's too hard to get in here. So we're doing it separate. It's rustic. Get over it. If you got a bad comment, I don't care. Today's not the day. Just kidding, guys. Yeah, it looks easy, don't it? I make it look easy. One thing I've learned, which you guys can learn from this, is whenever you're putting up the next one or whatever, blah, 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 don't nail the bottom part in because you're still going to have to pull it out a hair to slide the other one through. I learned that the hard way through cussing multiple times. See, this is why you don't want to nail it in down here, because it's pain in the butt, people. It's all fine and dandy, except right in the middle. There it goes. Now what? Jared, if we upload this before you get home, you owe me dinner.
Good news for Jason.
I totally underestimated how many boards we had left. I think we only have like 1.5 more 12-foot boards, so I lucked out. Just when I thought this was the last board I was going to have to do, I found like 5 more. Alright, brah. Done. So as I was building this in between takes, I've been singing songs from that band Mess that we worked with the other day. So I'm curious who you guys listen to. What's your favorite genre of music? And who's your absolute favorite artist? Mine, if I had to pick anyone, any band, it would be Blink-182 and pretty much any pop punk band ever.
You only get one.
No, favorite band and then genre.
Oh.
So mine would be pop punk and Blink-182. What's yours? I'm talking to you.
Oh.
Haha, now you gotta be on video. Don't show that nasty mirror.
Why? It's not even dirty. So my favorite band is Sum 41. And my favorite genre would be either pop punk or country. Two very different very different genres.
The only reason I even like country is because we make some good money off those videos. Thanks, country, Nashville.
Oh, now you want to stop singing?
Yep. Oh, jeez. Damn it. I forgot the pencil. Here. This is the good part and the bad part about this horrible wood, if you want to call it this. It gets marked up so easy, and I don't have my pencil on me, so I'm just going to use my keys. And I think I need to cut about that much, but I'm not sure. We'll see. If I mess it up, it ain't my bathroom. So, let's see if this guess of a notch here works.
Good enough.
I don't know about you guys, but good enough. That's what Jared would say. It's his bathroom, so I'm just going to roll with it.
Jared's famous last words will be...
Good enough.
Good enough.
What would... Oh man, I think I'm out of nails. You're gonna have to open that. I can't hold this up.
I don't know how to open it.
Pull it down. Stick it in.
These ways?
Now push it all the way. Push it. Push. Push. Push it!
I'm pushing it. Were you gonna ask them what their famous last words would be?
No.
Oh.
I was gonna say... Like that. And it's a lot of holes, I don't care. If we made a t-shirt and it said funny stuff like, good enough, and then
Crocker-doodle-doo.
Crocker-doodle-doo, what the Crocker? I don't know, stuff like that. We get weird comments all the time, but we think they're hilarious. Weird things that we say. What would be a funny quote, slogan, something we could make t-shirts out of that would be funny, but only we would know? Guys, since we keep it real with you guys all the time, today's not my day. I am irritated at how this is coming out, and this cheap wood stuff that's flimsy and getting on my nerves, and so I'm just gonna call it a day with this bathroom. I might do something else like painting or something like that just to get my mind off of it, but we're just like any of you guys. We try to pump out these videos as much as we can, but when we're irritated, you can't work good, you can't get creative, and you know, I just wanted to keep it real with you guys. Today's not my day. So I am going to call it a quits with this bathroom. I'm going to take a quick break. I don't know what time it is. It's getting close to 2 o'clock. So Jared will be home in like 3 hours. So I might take a break for a minute, chill out, clear my mind, and then do something else. So just know that not every day is a good day, but just know when to quit.
So Jason's in the shower. I tried to get him singing earlier because he does it all the time, and he sings and he sounds crazy, and I love it. It's super funny, but he won't ever do it on camera. But he's singing in the shower. I don't know if you can hear him. But let me give you a preview of what I get to deal with every single day.
Can't get out. Never acted this way before. I spend days and nights in my bedroom, trying to write the perfect song to sing to you. Write a song today, but you won't like it anyway.
You're welcome.
So we're gonna try to finish off my room this weekend. You can still see there's the gray lines covered in all the cracks. And then up top on each side, we still have plywood that we need to cover up. We're gonna run to Home Depot, get the sheets of wood. We're gonna slice them up, dice them up, pin them up, nail them up, paint them up, and get this shit done.
Alright guys, as I'm editing this video real quick right before I upload it, I realized we didn't talk about the meetup tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to meet up at Kenton Trade Days, the west gate near where you drive through, you park, and then it's $5 to park, just so you know. You're going to walk past the RV park, and then there's a big bathroom area and a little scooter rental place, and then there's some benches right on the outside. We're going to be somewhere right in there. You can't miss the camo jackets we always wear. Can't wait to see you guys. Please, if you're going to go, and you really know you're going to go, but you can't find us, send us a message on Facebook or Instagram if you can't find us. That way, it's easier for us to know you're there. And we can find you. So, we don't really expect anybody to show up. But if you do, awesome. If you don't, not a big deal. This is a last minute thing. So hopefully we see you guys tomorrow. Thank you again for the 10,000 subscribers. And we can't wait until you guys win. We're going to pick a winner January 8th. That's 1 week from today. Dang it. February 8th. That's 1 week from today. Earlier I tried to say this and I said July. So 1 week from today, February 8th will be the winner. Go. You have 5 chances, guys. Just remember that. You still can win if you're only on YouTube. You can win if it's only on Facebook. You can win if it's only on Instagram. All of that. So just know, you get, for every time you like it on something else, that's 1 extra chance to win. You could potentially win every single prize. Be crazy. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, Kenton Trade Days. Can't wait.